I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
Watch this video to learn how to import a chart of accounts into Xero. First, click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. Importing a chart of accounts into Xero is an efficient way to make bulk changes to your existing accounts or set up multiple accounts at once. For example, importing the chart of accounts from your previous accounting system so you can use the codes you're already familiar with. On the Chart of Accounts page, click Import. We recommend downloading Xero's template file and customizing it to ensure Xero has all the information it needs to successfully import your chart of accounts. In the Example File section, click the link to download the Chart of Accounts CSV file. Read the handy Tips for Importing and use the More Help for Importing Chart of Accounts link if you need more information. Then, open the downloaded file. The required fields have asterisks in the column heading, such as the code, name, and type. You must fill out these fields for Xero to successfully import the file. If you don't want to make changes to an existing chart of account code and want it to remain in Xero, keep it in the import file. If you delete an account from the import file, Xero archives the account when you import it. You can import a maximum of 1,000 rows in one CSV file. Let's make a few changes to the CSV file to customize it to our business needs. Each account must have a unique code, and the type and tax code must exactly match the options in Xero, as shown in the template's instructions. We've copied and pasted our previous chart of accounts details into the code, name, and description columns, and added the type and tax code to match our Xero settings. Once your file is ready, save it as a CSV. Then, return to Xero. Confirm if the import file includes balances. If you choose Yes, you'll need to enter your conversion date. In this video, we aren't importing account balances, so we'll leave the selection as No, Don't know. Click Browse to find the CSV file, then click Open. Finally, click Import. Xero takes you to the Import Summary page to review the accounts before it imports them. You'll see a list of accounts that are ready to import and may see a separate section for any accounts with errors. If there are errors, Xero explains what you need to fix. You can either return to your CSV file to correct the errors and re-import, or continue with the accounts that are ready and fix the others later. When you're happy with the list, click Confirm. You'll see the updated list of accounts on the Chart of Accounts page. Import a chart of accounts in Xero if you need to make multiple changes to the accounts or tax rates to meet your business needs.